One thing we always have in our freezer is homemade chips. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prep your potatoes ready for the freezer, how to freeze them, and how to cook them straight from frozen.
What do I do, Hayley?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Okay, so now we've peeled all of the potatoes, we've chopped them into little chips. You can see we've kind of filled up this pan, so I have got another one out, so I'm going to split it between the two pans. And now we need to get them ready for the freezer. So you can't just put potatoes straight in the freezer. They are one of the foods that need blanching first, or part boiling, but it is so easy to do. Them freezing as one massive clump. So obviously if you put them straight from here into a sandwich bag, you'll just be getting up massive clumps of potato. We open freeze them. So if you wanted, you could just put these straight on the baking tray and give them a spray with oil, but we're gonna do it like this. So because we run these under cold water to stop the cooking process, they are actually already cold, hence why Mia can actually put her hands in them. So these are ready to go in the freezer. There's no need to wait for them to cool down, anything like that. Yeah, and they will go in the freezer like this for around 2 to 4 hours. So this is called open freezing them so you're open freezing on a baking tray lined with baking paper, and doing it like this just means that you are stopping them from sticking together. Then once they've frozen solid like this, take them off of the baking tray and put them straight into a freezer bag, and then you can just grab out as many as you want. There we go. Now we have a full stash of homemade chips in the freezer ready to go. And when you're ready to cook them, they can be cooked straight from frozen. Now personally, I prefer to put them in the air fryer. They take around 20 minutes, just give them a shuffle halfway through, and they come out perfectly crispy. You can also mimic the exact same thing in the oven. They may just need a couple of minutes longer. And there we go. So we usually serve our homemade chips with something along the lines of pizza dough, which will feature in another episode because we're going to make some soon, and also some chicken nuggets, which will be in next week's episode. So if you want to know how you can make homemade chicken nuggets and again freeze and cook straight from frozen, then make sure you hit like on this video and subscribe for more weekly videos. Bye!
Bye. Thank you for watching.